Custom built, this 4 or 5 bedroom home in Hidden Valley has a full bath for each bedroom. It's network ready with Cat 6 wiring and dual satellite system. There's also a central vac system, spray foam insulation, an open kitchen and family room with oversized island and a large breakfast area, double ovens and warming drawer, and a pot filler for the cook in the family. The upper loft serves as the third living area, great for entertaining. There's a private patio off the master, plus a hidden closet in the master. This home is a must-see with way too many extras to list. Call Sue for your tour.